FuGen International Academy presents pre-placement training seminar at Integrated University on 10th of November 2025, and FuGen International Academy supports colleges by providing pre-placement training seminars before their campus drive. So Integrated University invited us to train their students for upcoming Nestlé placement drive, and a seminar and complete placement session was conducted on 10th of November. You can see in the website FuGen International Academy has complete placement procedure for this. We have our corporate job training, and in that we have pre-placement training for campus drives. Here comes the dashboard, and in the dashboard you can see multiple tabs are there. Overview, what will be the overview, how many rounds will be there, and we have aptitude tab in which we can see general practices, how aptitude questions can be asked and technical question can be asked, and what type of behavioral question can be asked, and behavioral flashcards are also there, interview guide, and then we have GD tab for group discussion practices, and finally we have resources so that we can update ourselves. And a great result was achieved. 5 students were selected in placement drive with Nestle on 17th of November 2025.